Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to add a passkey to your Google account. So first of all, launch any web browser on your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Chrome. Then simply go to myaccount.google.com, and once you come to this page, you'll see the option of create a passkey. Tap on it. Now over here, you'll see the option of create a passkey. Tap on it. Now all you would have to do is enter the passkey of your mobile device. With that, you will successfully be able to create a passkey for your Google account. You can now use your fingerprint, face, screen lock or hardware security key to verify that it's really you signing in. Then tap on done. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.